Welcome to RentPost. And today I'm going to show you how to create your own property management fee schedules and how to edit these fee schedules. So there's two ways we can get to the property management section within the site. We can either select account, settings, property management, and you can see here that we have management fee structures already created. We can edit them here and we can also hide them. And you can see I've hidden one already, and we can add a new one by selecting here. Or we could also click the accounting tab, select property management, and here we have three different fee structures that we are using right now. So we're going to create a new one. So we'll select the add button, and we're going to create a management fee structure strictly based on percentage. So here you can create any nickname you'd like. We're going to create percentage, rental fees, and late fees. Rental and late. And here we can choose a default statement day. Any day you like. We're going to choose the 15th. You can enter in a vacancy fee. And now we're going to add the income account to which we're going to collect these commissions. So we'll select rental revenue first. And for this purpose, we'll select 12%. And then by clicking the add button, we can collect the late fee. And we're going to collect 50% from late fees. Perfect. Now we just save and update the fee structure. Great. The fee structure was added, and you see the period dates, the 15th through January 14th. Now we need to add it to a unit. Okay. And if you look to the right, you can see that it even shows us that we have 3 units without management fee structures. And it already filters those for us. So we can just select that. And this button right here is the edit button. So we'll select the edit button. We will select the new management fee structure, which we have just created. Percentage, rental, and late fees. We'll select save. And now we'll perform the same thing for the other units that are needed. Now keep in mind that each of these units already have tenants added and payments have already been made for these specific units. We're just adding the management fee structure for these units. Okay, we're all done. So now that we're added, let's generate some owner statements. So we'll select accounting. We'll go back to property management. And you see we have all the fee structures already here. So now we have access to all of the management fee structures. And to move on, I would like to show you how to edit one of the fee structures. So we'll select this one, the basic flat fee. And here you can see that we can change the name, or we're going to change the vacancy fee from $75 to $50. And we'll save and update, and that will change it throughout the entire site and within all units. All right, perfect. Okay, now we can generate some management fees, some owner statements, and distribution. So we'll just select one of the fee structures, and we'll select regenerate all. And this brings us to the management fees. So you can see that RentPost does all the calculations, multiplies the percentages by the rental revenues, adds any late fees, and creates this report for each specific property owner. Select save. Perfect. So you can see that it calculated all of our management fees. So as of now, the fees are marked as unpaid. So now we just go through and mark them as paid. So it has all the information here, the payable total. We'll just select which account we want it to go through and select save. And we can do these for all the properties. See, we'll select the account. You can either also enter a check or reference number for each of the owner properties. And we'll select pay again for the last one. And you can also change the note for payable up here to whatever you would like the description to be. Okay, so confirm payment for the last one. And perfect. All of these are created and marked as paid. So now we can generate owner statements. So we'll select generate. All right, and you can see all the information is right here. You have the owner distribution at the top, and all the way at the bottom you have the owner contribution, the management fees, and the expenses, which we already marked as paid. So once everything looks good, we'll just select OK, looks good. And that will save. Now, once generated, you can email this to the owner, you can print the statement, or download as a PDF. Also, if you've decided to have an owner account, the owner can have their own portal within RentPost and have access to their own owner statements and generate and see these reports as well. So, now that we have a couple owner statements generated, we can pay the owner distribution. So we can pay owner. As you can see, RentPost creates a payment confirmation with the owner balances, the payable totals from rental revenue. We just select the account, enter in a check or reference number, and select Save. So now we've created management fee structures, we have added them to units, we have created owner statements, we have paid out owner distributions. Perfect. So thank you so much for joining me in this video, and please check out other ones for more tutorials and further information.